Ready for our part 2. Okay, this is his order. We're gonna double check first. This is guys, I think I get Rose or Jisoo. I don't know who I get because I don't know. That's twins? I don't know who's this. Okay. Oh, it's Rose. It's Rose. It's Rose. It's Rose. I thought it's Jisoo. I love Jisoo. I don't get it. Si Jisoo pala yun. Si Rose pala yun. Si Rose. Guys, our members in the Blackpink. Jisoo, Lisa, Rose, Jennie. I like Jennie more. She's so cute. And this is the stickers. Let's gonna liquid na. I thought I'm gonna alcohol muna. Guys, please comment. Comment, please. I'm gonna check the comment section. Comment kung makakabay. Don't mind it. I'm gonna mute. Hi guys. I'm gonna
hanggang mag-gira na kayo niya.
The comment section. Okay. So, guys, let's go in the upstairs. This is our bedroom. Bye-bye. I'm gonna just pack orders. Pack orders. Pack orders. Please comment. Comment. Bye. Bye guys. Comment.